to all the members of the Southeast London Family Elders and Family Welfare Association. Thank you so much for the invitation for the 20th anniversary of our beloved organization. I unfortunately cannot make it as I am currently spending time with my daughter and my family in British Columbia, Canada. Today marks not only the day of loyalty, community and strength of this organization for the past 20 years, but also we take today to recognize and remember the fallen members of our organization. Jonathan Jenner once said, "Beauty exists not in what is seen and remembered, but in what is felt and never forgotten." Let today not be a day of sorrow for the members who have left us, but for the great joys that they have brought us in past years. Thank you so much for the great years that I have spent in this organization and for the years to come. I wish the President and all the other members the very best. Sincerely, Mrs. Swarnam Sivaramani.